got no hands!
Instead of it being like most other countries, where the Italians think of themselves as Italians and the Greeks are the Greeks, those were white people.
There we go.
They combine as white people.
.com. Always use the right tools for the job. Your balls will thank you. Get 20% off and free shipping with the code BURR at manscaped.com.
Whoa,
That's 20%
why do you have to go on
off
this
with
lane?
free shipping at manscaped.com and use the promo code BURR.
What? What the fuck are you doing?
David Carradine. Yeah, that was David Carradine. Right? He was the father of mixed martial
Wow.
arts. 'Cause he
Exit from the center
combined
lane. Wow. Oh. What was this guy? What's this? That's like what? Wait, what? Red light runner. 2022 is just around the corner. What the fuck?
What happened?
That guy is like, what? How'd you get there?
I would have beeped.
I might have too. Red light runner.
Hot diggity damn. He just told the lady.
Red light runner.
Like, oh, you?
Mess hole left. He's just sitting there. It's green. How long is it gonna take for... There you go. You figured it out. Good job. Wait. Don't tell me that's the same. And they go in the wrong... Wow. Come on. There we go. And that guy's sitting too on the other end too. Twofer. What? Sheesh. What? Wow, right from the center, left from the center lane.
I'm a fuck a Rari. Always got the sauce when I pull up to the party. Gravy on the cheeks like Playboy Cardi. Pull up to the club with my whole damn army. Yeah, my team real dick, and we all with the goddamn shit. Looking slick, biz quick, big.
Someone's bound to do it, so this will be just enough cable to do it. Someone did behind me. Damn it! The ones behind me don't get on camera. Last second exit, Toyota. Someone's bound to screw up. Let it be this truck. Yes, it is. I knew I'd catch someone. Oh, whoa! Close. Why? Oh. Maybe I wasn't going to make it after all, but you're just going to keep going. What? Yeah, you better back up. Why don't you just park and walk in? Jeez! What? Oh my gosh. Michigan. So, and if someone's really going that slow on the highway, why bother being on the highway? What the hell's that truck? What? There's cash lanes over here. There's one right there.
Google, eBay, DoorDash, Apple, Amazon, Airbnb, the entrepreneur.
Wow, right turn from the left lane.
Baked potato, a tomato and cucumber and mozzarella cheese salad with oil and basil and squash.
On the Hyde Amendment, Vice President, where you made a decision for years to withhold resources to poor women to have access to treatment and healthcare.
Provided privately. But once I wrote the legislation making sure that every single woman would in fact have an opportunity to have help, legislates that is the law as well.
Why did it take you so long to change your position on the Hyde Amendment? Why did it take so long until you were running for president to change your position on it?
You're an asshole!
Not full.
And a red light runner. Red light runner? I think so. Yeah, that's safe. There's nothing, there's no bungees or nothing holding that stuff in. Why would you do that?